Bee Network is currently giving free 200 Bee coins, and this is how you can get yours. Pay attention and don't skip any part of this video as I review this to you. Now, this is what you should do. Head over to the settings section at the top right hand corner of your screen. Now scroll down and click on this very section that says Event Center. Now this is something I've explained a lot of times, but I'm going to be explaining it for those who are not aware of this. So click on Event Center right now, and you're going to see these very tags at the top right now. Now the Event Center is where the Bee core team provide unique tags for miners that they can complete and earn Bee coins, right? So you should check this from time to time. Now if you click on this very tags right here that says Chill App, this is going to open up and lead you to this very page. Now here's the interesting part of this video. If I scroll down right now, you'll see that right here it is written that no end time, right? So this tags does not have an end date, but they could end at any time though, but they are actually telling you that there is no end date. So whenever you're seeing this video, hop in right now and complete these tags. But wait a moment, there is a problem people usually face when trying to complete these very tasks, and that is the third step, which I'm going to be showing you exactly how to complete right now. So these are the tasks you're meant to complete, right? The first is visit the page, the second is visit the page site again, the third is submit test information that meets the requirement. Now this is where a lot of people have issue, and the last is join ChillDude app on Telegram, right? So we're going to dive into all this, and I'm going to break down this for you and show you how this works by being as fast as I can to save us time. So this is how you complete all these tasks. So I'm going to click on visit the page site right now, and then I'm going to click on go. Now the moment you click on go, this is going to lead you to this very site, which is playstore of course, and the app you're meant to download is the ChillDude app. Now whether or not you X out of this, you still have to download this in the third step, right? So it's best you just install this on your device right now. But if you just want to follow instructions, you can just head back right now, but you still have to do this in step 3. Okay, but I'm not going to be downloading this right now because I want to show you how to find this app again, just in case you lost it, okay, or maybe mistakenly stepped back and you can't come back here again. I'm going to show you how to get this very app right now. So once you do this and you come back, you just go ahead and click on this very button that says verify, and this will be checked, confirming that we have performed these very tasks. So to complete the second task again, we still do the same thing, right? Click on expand right now, then go ahead and click on go, and this would lead us straight into the Apple Store, right? The first was Play Store, but this time around we're dealing with Apple Store, and you can see a lot of similarity in this very app. Now you're also meant to download this app if you're using an Apple device, right? But we are not going to be doing that because I'm actually using an Android device. But if you're using an Apple device, maybe you might want to do this, right? So we can now go ahead and click on verify again, and this would be checked. Now we're going to move to the third step, which is obviously the hardest right here, and this third step right now is about submitting text information that meets the requirements. What you're actually going to be submitting is your username for the ChillDude app after you sign up, right? So I'm going to have to fix in my username right here after I have signed up for the ChillDude app. Now let's say you X'd out of that when you were performing the very first task or the second, and you want to go download this app on Play Store or Apple Store. This is what you're meant to do. I'm just going to use Play Store as an example. You can apply the same knowledge for Apple Store. So simply open up your Google Play Store app right now, head over to the search bar and type in the keyword ChillDude. Now this is this app right here. So what you're meant to do right now is to click on install, and okay, I'm just going to click continue and skip this. So once you click on install right now, the installation process would begin. Once it's done installing, just go ahead and click on open, and you can see right here there are two sign up process, which is to continue with Google or you sign up. If you click on sign up right now, this is going to lead you to the sign up page, and you just have to input your email right here and click on next, and this will lead you to the next sign up page. But I'm just going to go back and choose the continue with Google option. Now if I click on continue with Google option right there, this is going to bring out a list of emails I have, and I just have to select one of the emails I want to use for the sign up. Make sure you have a strong connectivity though, because it could be really stressing at this point. Now once this loads up, you're going to arrive at this very page, which is going to ask you to confirm that you are over 18, right? Because this is like a video app like TikTok, something like that. So just click on confirm right now, and you click on OK by agreeing to the instruction. I'm going to click on don't allow because I don't want notifications, and then we're going to deal with the most important part, which is getting our username. So we're going to click on me right here at the bottom right corner of your screen, and this is going to lead you to your account or profile section. Now, this can really get confusing here, but what a lot of people did not observe is that if you head over to your Bee app right now and head over to that very task, you see that instructions were provided on how to get your username for the step 3, right? So there is nothing hard here, but I'm going to show you the practical method, right? And how to get this exactly, right? So you don't run into issue or whatever. So this is how you do it. Head back to your ChillDude app again, click on that me section. Now you see this very section that have your name, which is opposite to my profile section. This is what you're meant to click on. By default, ChillDude would automatically fix in the name that is in your email. So once you click on this right now, this is going to bring you to this very page. Simply click edit personal info and you'd arrive at your main profile. Now you see this very one that says nickname. This is what you're meant to supply to them, right? So you can just go ahead right now and change this. So change this to whatever you want to, just fixing your nickname right there and click on save, right? For the ChillDude ID, which is not that important at the moment, I'm just going to fix in Danisaint, which is also my Bee username. I'm going to click on save right now and click on OK. Now the ChillDude ID is more like your account ID and it cannot be changed, right? So if we head back right now, in the me section, you're going to see a section at the top that says please enter the inviter or ChillDude ID. Now if you click on that, you might want to enter my ID, which is Danisaint. You can see that on the screen right now. So what we're going to do right now is to head over to that very task right now and submit our ChillDude username. Okay, your username is what you should submit, not your ID. So if your username is different from your ID, please submit your username only. Now sometimes if you want to type this, it might not really work, right? You might experience some issue. So what I would advise is you open up your notepad, right, and then paste your username on that notepad, copy it, and then come back to this very section of the Bee events and paste in that very username you just copied. So once you paste that username right there, you click on submit and that's it. You're done for this very task. What is going to happen is that this very task is going to be in review. Okay, it's not going to automatically detect that this is you. A human reviewer will have to go through this. So let's go to the last task right here, which is join ChillDude app on Telegram. So we're going to click on expand and click that join button you see right there. Now this is going to redirect us to Telegram right now, and once it redirects you to this Telegram group, all you just have to do is to click on this very join button at the bottom of your screen, and once you do that, automatically you have joined this very group. If you don't have Telegram app, you might want to go download that, but I believe most of us have Telegram app, so this shouldn't be an issue. And once you join this very group, you can now head back to the Bee app right now and click on that verify button. You're going to see this very pop-up notification that says event completed, please wait for the draw. So this is what you're meant to do. From time to time, you check this very event section to see if you have been rewarded your 200 Bee coins, right? So if you look right here, you're going to see this very button that says claim reward, but the truth of the matter is you can't claim just yet, right? So this very task in review has to be marked as completed, right? So you can see we completed all tasks from visiting the page side to the Telegram, right? But the review is half completed because we haven't been verified. Now if you scroll down, you're going to see a list of winners right here, people who have gotten their own 200 Bee coins. Now let me make this clear, there is no guarantee that you get these 200 Bee coins, but doing this, you stand a chance to get the 200 Bee coins. This is what you need to know. I've done this several times and I've earned a lot severally. Most times I do get it, right? So this is what you need to know. If you haven't joined Bee Network, my username is Danisaint and I will leave a link in the description. Bee Network might launch in Q2 of 2026, so you still have time to mine something out of this, right? So I don't think it's too late. I feel you should get in now, so by next year you won't regret you didn't make that decision today. So that's it. This is the update I decided to bring to your notice today. I hope you found value. I hope you got something meaningful out of this very video. If you did, leave a like and share so that others who need this very information will be able to locate it easily. Just so you know, in the coming days, I'm going to be creating a video explaining how you can create your Bee wallet and what you need to know about the Bee DEX. So if you don't want to miss out on that very video, subscribe and turn on your notifications right now so that when that video drops, you'll be one of the first to get notified. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.